Hello, we're going to do a walkthrough with this Samsung Hi8 camcorder. Does not come with a battery, but it has a charger, the RF cable, manuals, quick start and full manual, and a mount which easily screws on so you won't have to carry a screwdriver around with you. I have a tape inserted. It does not come with a tape. This is my shop tape and I use it to test camcorders. It's actually damaged. I cannot record on this because it's set. I guess it's locked. I guess you could lock these tapes. So we'll turn this on player. So if you had a Hi8 tape and you want to put it onto your computer or whatever, you put it in, hit the play button, and it looks like we got some girls doing yoga or whatever you call it. It's a nice picture. There's no scratches on it, no significant wear. I'm going to turn it over to the camera. So we're looking, yeah, the tape is protected. That's what's behind here. So everything seems to be working. Let's eject or hit the stop. I guess it's not recorded, so I'm going to hit stop, eject. That's the tape I'm using. I do notice at the end of this tape it unravels, so there's something wrong with this tape, so you don't get it. Push that, it shuts itself, and so you got everything you need. Buy a battery, they're a few bucks. You want new batteries anyways when you're going out to record stuff.